Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a project plan inside Clickup step by step. If you manage projects, deadlines, or team workflows, having a clear project plan can help you stay organized and save a lot of time. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Clickup templates to quickly build a professional and customizable project plan for your team or personal workflow. So let's get started. First, log into your Clickup account and go to your home screen. This is where all your spaces, projects, and tasks are organized. Once you're there, locate the project or workspace where you want to create your new project plan. Now, hover your mouse over the project area and you'll notice a small three-dot menu appear. Click on those three dots to open additional options and settings. From the drop-down menu, select Templates. Templates are one of the most useful features inside Clickup because they allow you to start with a pre-built structure instead of creating everything manually from scratch. This can save a huge amount of setup time, especially for larger projects. After selecting Templates, click Browse Templates. This opens the Clickup template library where you can explore different workflow and project management templates. In the search bar, type Project Plan and press Enter. You'll now see several project plan templates available. Some templates are more advanced and include timelines, milestones, and progress tracking, while others are simpler and easier to manage for smaller projects. Take a moment to choose the template that best matches the type of work you'll be managing. For example, if you're managing a marketing campaign, you may want a template with content deadlines and approval stages. If you're working on a product launch or development project, a template with sprint tracking and milestones may work better. Once you find a template you like, click Use Template. Next, Clickup will ask you to give your project a name. Choose a clear and descriptive title so your team can easily recognize it later. After naming the project, you'll have the option to customize the template. This is where you can adjust the setup to fit your workflow. You can add or remove columns, rename tasks, create custom statuses, assign priorities, add colored tags, or adjust due dates and timelines. Think of the template as a starting foundation rather than a fixed system. You can always return later and make changes as your project grows or your workflow changes. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Use Template again to apply it to your workspace. Your project plan will now appear inside Clickup, ready for you and your team to start using. From here, you can assign tasks, add team members, create checklists, attach files, and track project progress all in one place. One important thing to remember is that project plans should stay flexible. As your project develops, you may need to rearrange tasks, update deadlines, or add new stages. Clickup makes it easy to manage these changes without disrupting your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully created a project plan inside Clickup and built a more organized system for managing your work and team collaboration. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who want to improve their productivity using Clickup. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials and workflow tips. See you in the next video, and happy planning!